guys, I just got my first PR package. So this big old box is from a brand called Cakeworthy, and they had a collab with Polly Pocket. So you already know what time it is. I've never had a brand like reach out and offer to send me something. So it's all thanks to you guys. I'm so excited. Oh, I have my card. Hi friend, gotta say, we're obsessed with you. We love your content and thought you were perfect for our Polly Pocket X Cakeworthy collection. We can't wait to see you rock it. Guys, literally, like, look. Okay, first things first, if you guys have ever seen me stream, I'm always rocking like a sweater or a cardigan. So I'm really excited for the little sweatsuit. We're gonna try this on right now. Look how freaking detailed this jacket is, like even down to like the little zipper. So cute. Okay, first off, literally everything is so soft and comfortable. I cannot wait to wear this while I'm streaming for 3+ hours. It's so important to be comfortable. This is what the full sweatsuit looks like on. I freaking love it. It's so cute. And this brand is really size inclusive, which is amazing. Okay, next item, we have this dress in the same pattern. I'm not gonna try on this dress in this video, but it's one of those dresses that has the really flattering cut for larger body sizes, which is freaking awesome. I'll probably do another video styling this dress. And now for the accessories. First off, we have this gorgeous bag. Oh my gosh. It's so pretty, and I love this shade of purple. It's like perfect. Inside said bag, we have this, my own little Polly Pocket. I've never had one before. Oh my gosh. I just love everything about this. I have some sticky notes, which I always need more sticky notes. And we have like a little mystery pin. We can get like a bunch of different shapes. Let's see which one we get. I want either the heart shapes or the star for the pin. I'm slowly but surely trying to collect pins, so this is great. Oh cute, and a little star, how adorable. A hand mirror. Oh my gosh, guys. Look how adorable this mirror is. It's perfect. It's like the perfect size. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. I'm sorry, this mirror is so freaking cute. Like, imagine. And last but not least, we have this freaking adorable notebook. Oh my gosh. I just love stuff like this. It's so cute. Okay guys, let me know down below what y'all's favorites were. Mine would definitely have to be either the mirror, the bag, or my little own Polly Pocket. Like, oh my gosh, I've never had one before. It's so freaking cool. But this would not have been possible without you guys. So I love you guys so much. As always, bye.